Hey there, this is Gabby with another video. Today we are not going to talk directly about Money Robot. We are going to talk about few things, we can do to improve our ranking. Why? Because Money Robot is not the magic pill. You do that and that's it. No. You need to work with Money Robot, but also you need to optimize your website and also your Google Business profile. Your listing. I'm sorry. That's really important, and a lot of people, when they ask us about why are not ranking, if they are doing exactly what we are telling to do with Money Robot, is because you also need to check your own page optimization. You need to also check about the keywords you are using on your website, and a lot of things. It's a whole picture. It's not just one tool. Okay. Today I'm gonna create a series of videos about local SEO. And one of the things is what we can do or which keyword I can use to improve my local SEO. Simple. When we are talking about our listing, our Google My Business listing, the first thing we need to do is, run an audit. That's simple. I will create a video about the audit because you have a lot of steps to work with. But apart, one of the major ranking factor for our GMB is the category. Our first category, the primary, the main one, and which one you are using for secondary. They are so important. The first thing when you're doing an audit, I'm using here the Google GMB everywhere. I really like it. I also like and love the GMB Crush. But in this case, we're gonna use everywhere. If you see here, this is the first one, and they have here everything in the categories. Then in here we have plumber. That's the main one because that's the one with a little star, a yellow star. Contractor, drain services, excavating contractor, repair service. One of the things that happened to me, like with roofers, an example, not everyone is like general contractor. Not all your clients would like to work with like a general contractor, and that's why it's so important to find out what type of service they really work with. Okay, and if you see repair services, excavating contractor, water damage restoration services, I definitely use this one. We can go to any website and check what they have. This one doesn't have a website, and look, they're on the second. Wow. Also, one of the part, this have 43,000. Oh, wow. Okay, it's important also, really ranking factor. Reviews, how many reviews you have, and also inside of the review if you are using keywords or not. But let's try to use ChatGPT to help us to find out which keywords are going to be the best to use for this type of services, for contractor. If we go here, I have please generate a list of the most relevant keywords for the following services category: plumbing, residential plumbing, and commercial plumbing. But we can put also plumber, just plumber. Drain services, I like that one. services establishment. A lot of people use it. I added just in case, but this category doesn't give me a lot. Doesn't give me really what we do. Okay, we can do anything with this one. Okay, let's check. These are the plumbing, residential plumbing, and commercial plumbing. We can run it. I will give you this inside of the description of the video. No worry. And then ChatGPT is gonna give you plumbing, pipes, fixture, spraying, Then from here you can tell him to do, whatever you need to do. Like, okay, give me a content 100% human writer, to what include the plumbing, but I also would like to see, because the categories are the main following category. This is more than we would like to do. This is what people looking for on the plumber, and these are really good keywords. And from here, you can still work with which part are going to put in like a services page. Okay, which one are going to include it inside the home page. Okay, that from here you can do multiple things. We're going to be talking about in each of the videos a little more what we're going to do after this. This is going to be the sample we're going to be using for the whole series of video with ChatGPT to help us with ChatGPT. I hope this helped you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the little campanita. I forget right now how to say it in English. But I hope this helped you, and please let me know if you have any question. Leave it on the comment area. I will try to, to answer it, or even better, to create a video about it. Okay? Thank you. Until the next one.